I wanted to show you a little troubleshooting. So I accidentally knitted my previous row. As you can see, I've got 2 knit stitches and I was supposed to purl it. And I did that through this whole panel. And as you can see right here, I fixed it without having to rip out my last row. So I wanted to show you how to do that. You need a crochet hook. You can do it without a crochet hook, but it is so much easier with a crochet hook. Alright, since I'm purling, you are wanting to work through the back. So what you do is you're going to just go through your stitch right here so that it doesn't come undone. You don't want that to unravel. Oops. So go through it. You're going to take that stitch off. Alright? So you have your bar. The bar is in the back, and you have your loop on your hook. You're just going to grab your bar and go through that stitch. And see, it's knit in the back. So you just put it back on your left needle. And then you knit. Or whatever you're supposed to do for that next row. But that's it. If you're doing it the opposite where, oh, I purled and I'm supposed to knit, then you do the same thing but just in the front. So pretend this is a purl. You're just going to go through your stitch and pull that one out. And then your bar's in the back. You just grab it and you go through that stitch. And there's your knit. But since I want to purl it, I'm going to go through the back right here. Let's see. Make sure that bar, there we go. So you go through the back like that, and it becomes a purl. Saved me so much time.